Everybody loves to hear that they performed a job well done, and we're no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. And this is one of our latest customer reviews. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every client to ensure that we meet their expectations. Customer satisfaction is extremely important to our company. We want you to get the best service possible, and at the same time, we'd like to earn a 5-star review from you. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.